I'm out of the way, man. I'm back here. That's you.
He said, let's go at
So what's up, guys? This is Uzumaki. Switching into sports mode really quickly. I'm gonna wind down the window just a little bit. I'm gonna do some test pulls up here. Hopefully you guys can see my speedometer. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the steering wheel down. What I want to see is how much horsepower I actually get up to right here. Right now, just cruising them at 30 something horsepower. I'm trying to make it over 2 out of there. So notice that there's traffic in front of me, so I can't really do too much here. But I'm gonna hit it just right in here, right? Like right up in here. Let's hit it. Let's see what we can get. Dropping down to third. To myself when I'm in a crowd like this, so it's okay for me to close the cutout and just kind of take it as it goes. The thing is, we have all these cars and everybody decides to drive in the fast lane. I never can figure out why when they're not passing. Well, maybe they are passing, but they're moving so slow, it's just ridiculous, you know. It's okay though.
You want to do like right terminal with the socket? Disconnect the negative terminal. And I'm going to leave that disconnected for about a couple minutes, 2-3 minutes. That's just a precaution to make sure the bags don't go off accidentally. What's up, YouTube? We're here at modfx. We're about to swap out a carbon fiber steering wheel. Right here, I got 2 punches I'm going to use. First thing you're going to want to do, there's 2 holes over here. One on each side. You'll want to pry it in there. You'll feel some tension. That'll release one side. Come over to the opposite side, same hole. You gotta feel a little bit of tension. Boom. You pop that. Then, then you want to grab a flat screwdriver and you want to disconnect the airbags. Once you pry those up, they easily come off. They're color coded, so when you put it back together, you have nothing to really worry about. Put those aside, and then you have one little clip here. Put a little screwdriver underneath it. Pry it. Your bag is already off.
All right. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing. All right, I'm ready. Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. So since I got a heated steering wheel, that one's not heated.
No, they'll be gone.
So which wire is, you know which wire is connected to heated?
Yeah.
What's that?
Want to see it?
I'm out of the way, man. I'm back here. That's you.
He said, let's go at it. Then you have one little clip here. Put a little screwdriver underneath it.
Oh, yeah. U-turns? I'm not too worried about the U-turns. That's how I'm used to driving.
Okay.
He's got enough power.
Yeah. Give me that gun. Next step we want to do is we want to disconnect. There's a small white harness right here. You'll see that there's a clip on the side. It easily comes out. There's also one on the left side here. That's it. All right. Once you got those two out, there's 3 of them total harness. And we're gonna go ahead and grab the 10 Allen head. Once you pull that screw out, boom. Now we're gonna grab the new steering wheel. Take a look at this beauty. Nice little carbon fiber steering wheel.
You want your paddle shifter?
I have it's a manual, my friend.
Huh?
It's a manual.
You don't need paddle shifters.
Oh, even better. Goodbye.
That shows the manual.
That little thing right there?
That little thing right there.
I wasn't looking that way, right?
I did the same thing. I don't feel bad. I'm like, you don't want paddle shifters? Then I looked in the car. I'm like, never mind. You don't have it. You don't have to have them.
We're gonna want to make sure we align it back in there where it originally came
Dude,
off.
that's gonna be so weird, man. But I can see my dash
Broken.
completely now. That's crazy, man.
You will be able to see your full dash, though.
I'll be able to see my full dash. I mean, that's my view now. So Jose, the next thing will be carbon fiber. Yeah. How much does something like that cost? Is that something that Rhino Coats can do?
Huh?
Rhino Coats can do that?
Nah, it's real carbon fiber, like overlay.
All right. So it's just an overlay.
Yeah, like they actually just, they put carbon fiber on it. They actually epoxy it, seal it, clear it. And then, so it's carbon fiber, the actual material. And these are the ones that are not going to connect anymore. I mean, they're connected, they're not working. He doesn't have a heated one either still, right? He doesn't have a version like that?
No.
Nobody does. I think because of yeah, they have to bust it, and it's inside the actual old mechanism.
This one will be paid off next year.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thing is, I'm trying to decide if I want to do one of those wide body kits you've been doing on everybody's car. Dude, I just don't know. I just don't know, man.
Superman pulled the trigger.
Yeah, Superman did do it.
He did do it, yeah, man, but that's Superman.
Look up the torque specs and torque it down to factory spec.
It's like, how often is he ever going to get it? How often is he ever going to get his car up over 180 miles an hour?
Never. You don't like to hear those words, do you?
Been doing all right, man?
Yes, sir. How about yourself?
Been all right.
Haven't seen you at Coffee and Car in a minute, man.
I like for my car to be perfect, man. Khan is in the house. OMG 707.
After you're done doing that, make sure the wires are not in the way of the tuck. Nothing's in the way here.
Newly, freshly bagged.
That's it.
By Jose?
Bagged by the bag spoke.
Okay, I'm gonna get a thumbnail. You gotta let them do bags on that Z01.
I don't know, man. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.
Look, he's about to do a burnout. Please don't do it, Jose. Hey, open up the cutouts.
Huh?
Press the button. The one. There's like 3 buttons underneath your seat, right there. Like right underneath your leg. There's 3 buttons.
Underneath the seat?
Yeah, you don't feel them?
Oh yeah, I just did it.
So the one to the left opens up the cutouts. Rev it. That's crazy, right? That is crazy, right? And then the one on the end closes them. And all stock. That's beautiful.
This freaking thing feels weird. Like you gotta get used to it.
I'm
Bro.
gonna have to get used to it.
Yeah, like I mean, I grabbed it right here and I can do this, but it took a second.
Yeah. Holy shit. So how much can I sell the old steering wheel for if I decide to sell it?
$450 like that.
$12.50?
$450.
$450. All right. If I decide to sell it. I like the look. I just, you know, it's gonna take some getting used to, and that carbon fiber looks really damn good in the sunlight. All right, guys, so I'm leaving modfx. They're doing a team meeting right now to coordinate all their shows and everything. So it was kind of interesting just to watch and listen to everything that was going on and being said. The team is here. Most of the team is here. I'm pretty sure they're gonna do multiple meetings for multiple team members. Anyway, I'm headed to go get my hair cut, and I gotta get my son. And then I'll spend the rest of my day with my son and my daughter. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Holy shit, man, this is so weird. So this is the steering wheel, huh? From a Baza Carbon, that's crazy. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and rocking with your boy. Man, this is so weird. Like, this is my first time ever doing anything like this. This is crazy. Let me start up the car. Woo-hoo-wee. Dude, it's gonna take some getting used to here. I don't even want to touch this thing, it's so beautiful. Let me get over here and get this done. We'll pick this up. I'll do a review of the steering wheel after this first drive. And thank you guys again for rocking with me. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video.